Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix lag and FPS drops in Where Winds Meet. First, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Open your official GPU app. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. For AMD, use AMD Adrenalin. Go to the drivers or updates section and check for a new update. If one is available, download and install it. After the installation is complete, restart your PC so the changes apply correctly. Next, adjust Windows performance settings. Click on the Windows search bar and type Advanced System Settings, then open it. In the new window, stay on the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. When the Performance Options window opens, select Adjust for best performance. This disables unnecessary visual effects in Windows and helps free up system resources. Click Apply and then OK. Now launch Where Winds Meet and open the in-game settings and go to the graphics or video settings. Lower all visual options such as textures, shadows, effects, and post-processing. Set shadows to low or very low and turn off extra effects like motion blur or film grain if they are available. If your system supports DLSS, enable it in the graphics settings. After enabling DLSS, choose the performance preset. This setting focuses on higher frame rates and smoother gameplay. Save the settings and restart the game. You should notice reduced lag and fewer FPS drops. Thanks for watching.